Hi guys, with yesterday me and my parents bought Lego from the IKEA. It's such a wonderful shop. Now let's start the story. Wow, that was a nice shop. That shop was so big.
Yeah.
Can I go downstairs to see if there's anything in the storage?
Okay.
Come on, sister.
Okay.
Let's go, Mom.
Okay.
Let's go into storage. Come on. Come on, guys. Let's jump down. Whee! Sis, Mom, where are you?
I'm in here.
Come on, we need. So, what do we need again? Let's think about it, guys. What do we need?
This?
Oh yeah, we needed a door. Let's put it outside.
We needed a hot.
Now, can you give me the hammer and nails so I can put the door on?
Where is it?
Here's the hammer, and these are the nails. Let's put the base there. Nails.
See, this hand is.
Let's test the door out.
Let me go buy a phone. I don't have one. Hi,
It works perfectly. While Mom goes to the shop. Mom, the shop's not here. Go to the other side. There's the shop.
Oh, let me go outside the door.
Just push it open. I'll close the door.
Bye.
Bye, Mom.
Bye.
Sister, let's go into storage again.
Okay.
So what? Wait, where's my phone?
Your phone?
Mom, what's our phone doing in here? It has to be there. Should we? Wait, I think we're missing shelves. But what? We need the first shelf.
Ding dong, ding dong.
Are you home?
Yes.
Let me open the door. Come on in. Oh, you alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. I got my phone.
My phone, where did it go?
It's
Hey,
empty.
why did it fall in the mud? Why is the bed breaking?
I don't know. Where's my bed?
That's what I'm thinking about. Oh, I have a good idea.
What?
Let's make a bed.
Yeah,
With using all of our other bed parts.
First, let's put the phone on there.
That part there, and we need something. Yeah, this will work. God, doesn't it look so good?
It's for both of them now. But first, we need a shelf for her phone.
That's what I'm thinking about. So can we put it here? How about there?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Wait.
What?
Don't touch anything. Let's put that there. And this.
That's what I was thinking.
See that? We put so. And the bed is complete.
Okay.
One sec, wait. Where's the phone?
My phone.
One sec, let's see. Sister, I think I see your phone.
No, this is her phone.
Then why didn't you tell me you had her phone?
I just bought it.
To put it right there.
Then why didn't you let me?
Did you buy the charger?
Yes.
Let me go find right by. Where's my car keys? Oh, here it is.
It was in the store.
Oh, let me go fix my car and let me go drive it, okay? Bye.
Bye. Our bed is ready now. Let's make a kitchen.
I got the kitchen set, guys. Let's put that there.
Okay, now we are starting to make the kitchen. Okay, so my brother got the accessory first.
Not accessory, the base. Sister.
Okay, now let's put that.
Hey, sister, what are you doing?
He's just looking at my bed.
Do you have the other part of the kitchen?
No. Go check the storage.
I feel your. So,
Okay.
can you give me the tap, sister?
Okay.
Ah. Wait.
Where's my phone?
Yeah, no, that's my phone.
Oh, why did you put my phone
Ow!
in the storage?
I didn't put the phone in the storage.
Now let's cook some food.
Wait, we need to make a tap and sink.
Yeah, where is it?
I made it.
Okay.
This is the sink and this is the gas. Sister, what do we do with this part?
I don't know.
We can put the flowers here.
Okay.
One flower on this part. Put it there.
I'm gonna buy the flowers.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, babies. Make sure no one gets here. Okay, bye.
Bye. Now I'm going to cook
Oh,
some
this one is good. Even this
I am
one.
gonna cook a hot dog. First, let's get the
Ding
Let's
dong.
cook the sausage.
Ding dong. Ding dong.
Sister, can you open the door? It's done.
Hi, baby.
Now the bread.
Close.
It's done. Now let's put it in there. Who wants a hot dog?
Me.
Here you go. You order.
Thank you.
Sister, do you want a banana?
Yep, I love bananas.
Let me see if I have a banana. Here it is. Do you want it? Let's make a dining table. So, let's put the dining table in the house. We made a dining table and with the chairs.
Food is ready. First, the hot dog is ready, and then the teas are ready, and the banana too. Let's put it on. The food is ready. Let's put them on. Guys, how do you like the food?
It's good.
Yeah, thank you, Mommy. You're welcome, babies.
I finished my milk.
Okay, you can go and play. Me too. Let's eat up bananas.
Let me eat my hot dog. Ding dong!
I think your dad is here.
Ding dong!
I think your dad is here.
Hello, kids.
Hi, Daddy.
Did you guys have a lovely dinner?
Yeah.
I'm glad you did.
Yep, I helped the kids.
So what did you eat, guys?
Hot dog, milk, and my brother had a hot dog, and I had a banana milk.
And what did you eat?
I didn't eat nothing because I was helping the kids.
Did you eat that sandwich?
I didn't eat this.
Kids, it's time to go to bed.
Okay, Daddy.
Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad.
Boy.
Let's go brush your teeth. Now let's go on to bed.
Wait, you dropped my phone.
I did?
Yeah, that was my spot.
Oh, sorry. Come on. Are they sleeping?
Yeah, I won't check in the room. Dinner is ready.
Let's go.
Okay, Mommy, Daddy. Food is ready.
Let's eat now.
First, let me get my hair wet. Oh, brother.
Now, I'm going to drink the tea.
Let me get the peel off.
I finished.
doing the tea. Okay. Let's put it in the kitchen back.
I'll go put mine.
I'm also done.
I want to go put mine there.
And put mine there too. I hope you like our today's video.
Our part 2 is going to come tomorrow. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye. My channel's name is Be Creative with Rishit and Vani.